Hey guys, do you play Pokemon Go? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a fully working Pokemon Go spoofer in 2024. And this does not require a jailbreak or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's super cool, guys. As you can see, we get all these settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a fully working Pokemon Go spoofer in 2024. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It's super insane, guys, and this fully works. Guys, so as you can see, we have all these settings here, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download the fully working Pokemon Go spoofer, bro. So what we need to do is go to this website called Zoo Mods, right? This site has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in zoomods.com. Alright, so anyways, guys, once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. And as you can see, it says Pokemon Go mod. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I have looked into this, and there's no other way to get the Pokemon Go spoofer that does not involve jailbreaking, which is not something I want to do. So as you can see, guys, if we go to search bar and type in Pokemon Go spoofer, as you can see, guys, nothing comes up. So if you want to download it, guys, you gotta go to Zoo Mods. So be sure to go and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. Fully working. Super insane, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, it's super cool. As you can see. So yeah, be sure to go and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is awesome, bro. I love Pokemon Go, but I hate having no spoofer. So try it out today. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. It's updated and everything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.